What are the long-term implications of Israel-Arab normalization deals in the Middle East? The Israel-Arab normalization deals, particularly the Abraham Accords, have fundamentally realigned the geopolitical axis in the Middle East, shifting the focus from the Israeli-Palestinian conflict to shared strategic and economic interests, primarily countering Iran. 10 implications of Israel-Arab normalization. 1. Fundamental geopolitical realignment. The Accords shift the core regional conflict away from the Israeli-Palestinian issue to a new axis centered on containing Iran. 2. Anti-Iran bloc formation. An informal, potent security alliance has been created, linking Israel with key Gulf states, e.g. UAE and Bahrain, to counter Iran's regional influence and proxies. 3. Advanced technological integration. Normalization facilitates unprecedented cooperation in cybersecurity, defense technology, and intelligence sharing, creating an integrated security network. 4. Economic synergy in corridors. Billions of dollars have been unlocked in trade, tourism, and investment, establishing new economic corridors that bypass traditional regional routes. 5. Gulf economic diversification. The deals help Gulf monarchies accelerate their plans to diversify away from oil dependence by integrating Israeli technology and innovation into their markets. 6. Marginalization of the Palestinian issue. By delinking normalization from the resolution of the Israeli-Palestinian conflict, the deals weaken the traditional Arab bargaining position, isolating Palestinian leadership. 7. Strain on traditional alliances. The Accords pressure non-signatory Arab and Muslim states, like Saudi Arabia, to choose sides, while also creating friction with rivals such as Turkey. 8. U.S. strategic leverage. The success of the agreements allows the U.S. to potentially reduce its direct military footprints while maintaining strategic influence through a strong, networked security architecture among its allies. 9. Integrated security theater. The normalization is transforming the Gulf into a more strategically integrated theater, ready to face both state and non-state threats jointly. 10. Precedent for future accords. The success sets a clear precedent for other nations, including Oman, Sudan, and potentially Saudi Arabia, to formalize ties, reshaping the regional diplomatic map long-term. Subscribe and stay updated.